Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today, finally the day where we are getting the exhaust changed. Now I recorded this kind of weird because I already got the exhaust changed. But I did record some before clips because I'm going from the SLP LM1 to the Borla Stinger, Borla S type. That's what they call it. Stinger would be if you get like the whole exhaust system from any kind of place with, you know, cat bag, that would be the Stinger, because I wanted a little bit quieter and a little bit more sound to it. Here's gonna be the difference between the two. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so one more thing, just so you know, I hope the microphone picks this up. It's kind of windy today, but I'm gonna use the same microphone settings I used yesterday for the old exhaust. I also don't have a cold start because the car is warm, because I drove to the muffler shop. So yeah, installation went pretty well. I went to the easy muffler shop that I always go to in town. I got some clips that's probably gonna be popping up here in a minute. And yeah, so pretty much they fixed everything that was wrong, because I don't know if you saw it in the you're gonna see it probably in the before clips. My exhaust tips were kind of not straight. They were leaning against the bumper and everything, so they got that straightened up, and my whole exhaust system was a little bit off because I put the fake cats on. So they fixed all that, so it's back to straight, which is nice. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so blurry. It must be inside the lens. The camera was inside my house and it's cold in there, and it's not cold out here. It's humid as crap. Okay, that's better. So yeah, here's the warm start, I guess. You're still gonna hear a difference, and I have a chair laying on the floor over here that kind of hopefully protects the microphone from wind a little bit. Also, I could change the settings on the microphone, because you probably hear in the before clips as like some crackling, but I want to have like the true difference comparison. As you can hear, the fuel pump is almost louder than the exhaust. Like, I can hear the fuel pump now. It quieted down a lot, but I feel like it also got deeper a little bit, and it's not gonna have the clapping. We're gonna hear that here in a second in the drive clips. So I'm gonna put you in my usual spot, and then you will hear that. Okay, well, here it is. That is the main differences. I hope this time the microphone didn't crack out like it did yesterday. I hope I can use some stuff from yesterday, because of course I don't have the mufflers on it anymore, so I cannot redo the whole thing. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is just a small comparison video between the SLP LM1s and the Borla S-Type, which, I mean, it's not a fair comparison. The S-Type is supposed to be like a quieter sounding muffler. I should have compared it to an Attack, but I didn't want the Borla Attacks because you cannot just get the muffler, you need the whole cat back. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and we will see us in the next one.